Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase spending habits with SoFi. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your spending habits with SoFi, start by downloading the SoFi app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the spending section of the app. In the spending section, you'll find insights into your current spending habits. Explore the various categories, such as dining, entertainment, and groceries. Review your past transactions to identify areas where you can increase your spending wisely. Set a monthly budget for each spending category that aligns with your financial goals. Use the app's tracking feature to monitor your spending in real time. If you're aiming to invest more in experiences or necessities, adjust your budget accordingly. Take advantage of personalized recommendations based on your spending patterns. Look for rewards or cashback offers that can enhance your spending experience. Regularly check in with the app to reassess your budget and spending goals. Make use of the financial education resources available within the app. Consider setting up automatic transfers to savings to prepare for larger expenditures. Stay disciplined but flexible, allowing yourself room to enjoy your spending. Track your progress over time to see how these changes impact your financial situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.